In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this perfect rust patina effect that I've done on my little rat truck. I'm going to be using tips and tricks I learned from the man himself, Travis Deeter, the bloke who used to do all the crazy paint jobs in Vegas rat rods, or as we called it here in Britain, Sin City Motors. Let's get into it. This is my rat look truck, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make rust patches look really cool with a very simple trick you can do at home. All you're going to need is 2 squirty bottles, some water and a little bit of paint. I'll be showing you the trick later on in the video, but first let's get a little bit of airbrush done, but the trick is coming up later. You don't want to miss this. This here, see this here, right? This is that fake, so on the front wing of this, it's got nice runs, but this is that fake rust stuff. And it just looks odd, and I've always been thinking I need something here. So today I'm going to attempt to airbrush some fading around the edge, and I'm going to put some streaks down. So bear in mind, I've never airbrushed a day in my life. This airbrush compressor and this little airbrush was given to me by my best mate, who's a really talented airbrush artist, and he said to me, take it, just practice. So this is my first time. Okay, there we have it. Remember what it looked like before? There was no runs, none of this hazing around it. It was just the brown mark. So the front wing has got all the natural runs. That's real. But this didn't have any. Also done the other side and got the runs going down and shaded it around there. Got some more runs going down with the airbrush. But now, this is the cool bit. What we have here is some Burnt Sienna paint, FX paint, only about that much. The rest of that is just plain water. This bottle is just plain water. Wait till you see what we're going to do here. Are you ready? Here we go. Plain water, Burnt Sienna, okay? And all we're going to do is put a little bit there, a little bit along here, just along there, a little bit along there, and then we're going to chase it with just water. Oh no, I forgot to, I was meant to actually wet the panel first, I completely forgot. So we're going to chase it with plain water. Chase it down. We'll get a bit more in there. A little bit there. A little bit more along there. Here. A bit there. A bit there. Right. We're going to chase it. We're going to wet it with water and we're going to chase it down. Chase it down with water. Now that looks like rust. Right, we'll do the same on the other side. Right, as you can see, the darkness of the runs on that bit is similar to the darkness of the runs on that bit, but we've still got this bit in the middle, which is a bit white, and we do have these rust areas here. So, wherever there's rust areas, I'm just going to do the water bottle trick again, a little bit there, and we're just going to get some, just going to tie it together a bit more. So let's get into it again. See, look at all the little bubbly lumpy bits. Don't understand. Just going to leave that to run. There we go, look at that. It's kind of tied it together. It's not as bright white in the middle as at the door. There is some staining going on from that, which is good. That's what we want. And a little bit more on this back panel again. It's dried now, but let's add a bit more. So let's wet the panel, which is what I failed to do before. Oh look, there's a rust there. The rust goes all the way to there. Let's let that just run for a bit and chase it. Let's just let it run. Let it run.
One hour later.
So, differences now. You can see the front's more yellowed, all the yellow on there. This is all yellow. I don't know if you remember before, it's going to be hard for you lot to see the difference really, but there's a massive difference. This whole door was pure white, that back bit was just pure white. All the front bumper was just pure white, but can you see now it's all grungy and yellow and nasty, and you see it? Yeah, those all runs coming down. Look at the runs coming off of there. That's extra, like all this bit on the back. It's so much better than it was before. Like even round to the back. Like these corners, all this yellow in the middle, that wasn't there before. So much better. So much better.
Riding clean though, swerving like I've been sipping on lean though. Mean though, if a bitch fuck around with my scene up, my team though. So we get money just like casino. Free throws, counting this shit is easy cause I put in work in. Okay, gotta keep serving them in my state. Gotta keep swerving, don't slow me down. Kinda like homie stay in your lane. Like bitches all on my bumper, they tryna fuck up my paint, but they can't. They out of breath, they can keep up with my pace like. I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. Swerving in that diamond lane, fast track, find me where to catch. I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. Swerving in that diamond lane, fast track, find me where to catch.
I be swerving on these bitches, swerving on these bitches. They be swerving on these bitches, swerving on these bitches. They be trying to cuff my nigga, he be curving all these bitches like, I'm in my valleys out in Napa Valley, Cali. It ain't over for you, bitch, I'm about to give you the finale. And I just be ballin' hard, I got a score they couldn't tally. My goons is always waiting, so don't get caught in that alley. I'm a menace to society, it ain't really much you could do with. Guaranteed you got one tool, and I'm guaranteed to have two with. So I'm on that real shit, and now they don't really want fool with. So I do not play around, so now bitches tryna be cool with me.
I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. Swerving in that diamond lane, fast track, find me where to catch. I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. I be swerving on these bitches, I be swerving on them. I be swerving on these
Well, there we go, peeps. I have also just clear coated the whole van, which is just kind of matte lacquer, so it's all sealed in, all done properly. I want to say a big thank you to Travis Deeter for basically giving me the idea to do all this, and I've copied how he does it. He's the man. He's the one that does all of this stuff. He is the prodigy when it comes to this stuff, and this is his technique. So I want to say a big thank you to Travis Deeter of Sin City Motors. That's what it's called in UK. I think it was Vegas Rat Rods in America they called it. But anyway, thank you, Travis, for showing me how to do this. Anyway, people, hope you enjoyed. Hope you like the rat truck with its new proper grimy look to it, and I'll see you in the next one.